Hello everyone.
Hi, Rosie.
So today I want to tell you now how I use take prepare agbo ogweba. This is malaria medicine. That is what I'm taking now.
Okay, ma'am.
Mechie no say so. So this is me now trying to take the medicine. Come low fair. But the medicine is not bitter like that. But as only so I have to do now fun and one a month so before taking in the medicine, before swallowing it. And immediately this medicine, one thing about am be say if you take all your malaria, all the whole red oil and the groundnut oil where you use chop, all the whole thing, you go wash all of them away. So now why I say make I just tell you now as I prepare this medicine, then I can't drink them. The medicine they hard to swallow, but if you dey take them, you do not say your body go dey strong because nothing like chemical inside. Now only leaf. Leaf before uncle. I went inside the bush, pluck all the whole leaf where they there. Put jam all of them together. Put them inside big pot. Then come bring firewood because this one no be the one we go use the gas cook because gas they cost now. So gas they very expensive. So this is it. Even my children drink also. You feel use and bath. You feel use and bath, or you feel bring that pot where you use cook and carry big towel, very thick towel. You go use and cover your head. Then they inhale them. Make sure say the heat they hit you as hot there. Make sure say the heat they hit you well. So this one are the thing where I use to lemongrass. Can't use mango leaf. You they see them for here now. Can't use neem leaf, lemon leaf, pawpaw. What's it that they call a scent leaf? In fact, I put all this rishi for the lime, the leaf safe there. So this one are the place where I cook them. I cook them outside for big pot because no be only us they use them. The whole family go use them. Bath also, and anybody where want inhale them, he go inhale them.
Rosie, you try, yo.
Unetozila mishim nekeko. So yeah, the things where they bring out. This one, Yoruba people they call them agbo. Now agbo everything na every. Now the scent leaf they show the mango leaf, the orishirishi where they put inside lime. This one lime leaf also. Lemon or them they inside. That one where they chop them, they inside there. Then every day inside here, braka water, iron, every day inside here, even lime also. They see as the water they glow. Now that water now, if you bath them, then you go first of all bring out the first set. After as it don't boil so now you bring out the first set where you go drink. Then cook the rest where you go use bath and inhale it. Even banana leaf, plantain leaf they inside there also. That one they work in own, as you can see. So that one they work in own also. Every we be say I gather for bush, I put them there to make sure say the medicine, the karakaraka, if they go malaria, all the whole malaria, all the whole accommodate your body, if they heal them.
Thank you.